I got a package yesterday from Bonten Gekigakai. They handle all the Bonten Taro releases, and I got some cool stuff from them. Found some dead stock of Black Hook Press's Badass Babe, which is in English. Only 3 though, then once they're gone, they're gone. What's this? Captain Ultra. Yeah, these are some like represses of some old school manga. Radon. And Ogon Bat. Golden Bat or Bat the Gold, as it's sometimes translated. And the new release by Bonten Gekigakai. Excited to read this. I got 20 copies of these directly from the publisher. Rad.